Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So Waze is famous for its community-powered alerts, but you don't have to see every single report. By customizing your alert preferences, you can filter out the noise and focus on what actually matters to you, like speed cameras, police, accidents, or even hazards. So according to the official Waze documentation, you can access these settings directly in the app menu. That's why we made this small tutorial so fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First thing first, we want to go and open our app directly. Wait, let me actually show you the whole screen here. So as you see, we have our settings, or basically our menu. We're gonna go all the way and access our settings. From the main map screen, you can tap the magnifying glass, then look for gear icon or settings. So after this, you will be having a lot of options, including general map display, navigation, vehicle details, and all of this. Go all the way to alerts and reports. So now, as you see, we have alert distance all. Go ahead and you can select if you want on route only 5 kilometers, 25, whatever you want. And for the safety, you can also use the headlight reminder. So now, as you see, you would be able to access every detail you want to. You can even go through the gas stations, pick a preferred one, whatever you want, planned drives, privacies, map display. You will be basically to access dark mode and other options. That's the idea. Thank you for watching this. See you all in the next video.